the inspection committee. It is your SK Presidency Public School, Sultanpur, Faizabad Bypass, Tantia Nagar, and it is the southern and western corner of the school. In the left hand side, you will see the boundary of the western side of the school. Now we are moving towards the gate. Towards the main gate we are moving. These are the places for the parking of the guardians whoever come to drop their children. In the left hand side, it's also parking place for the guardians. We can see up to the eastern side, that is also the parking place. These are the places for the parking. It's our main gate. Here is the notice board for the information of the guardians. Guardians may take information from the outside. Here is the ex-serviceman, guard for the school, day and night in the 3 shift. Whoever comes in the school, he comes here, it is the visitors register. In the visitors register, they sign, they write their purpose, their telephone number, and when they are allowed, they are given a visitors gate pass. After taking the visitors gate pass, they visit the office, they meet the principal, and if they are allowed, they can meet the student. It is the gate man's chamber. He sits here. Here is the container. There is the hand wash and the sanitizer for the comers, visitors, whoever come to stop the corona. Now I am moving towards the office. It is the place for the visitors who come. They sit here. Whatever purpose is theirs, when they visit the school, they are welcomed here. Here is the administrator's office. It is the administrator's office. Come on. It's administrator's office. Here is the picture of Honorable Srikant Upadhyay, by whose name this school has been established. Sir, dear principals, members of the inspection committee, this is the visual map of Sultanpur district, and the highlighted places are the places from where our students come. The students come from these far-off places to our school for their studies. Now I am moving towards the office. It's the office of SK Presidency Public School. Come in the office. Now it is visitors are coming to list. The fees is being deposited online. A few guardians come on. And it's the annual exhibition selected photo, in which exhibition all-round development of the students was tried to make, and it was a grand ceremony of the school. Now, it is the kitchen for the guest room, for the visitors, if there is need. It is the kitchen. Is the complaint and suggestion box. If guardians, visitors, society members, Any stakeholder wants to suggest something, he can come here and he can drop. If we are present, we may take by hand, but if we are not present, he can drop. And every Monday it is opened and the problems are being solved. These are also chairs. These are also chairs for the visitors. Chairs for the visitors. It's washroom for the guardians and for the staff. अंदर तक चले जाओ. washroom ऊपर भी. It's the another washroom. It's next washroom for the guardians, for the visitors, for the staff members. For the staff members. Now I'm moving towards the boundary wall. Suggest karna kam. I'm moving towards the boundary wall. I'm returning from the same way as I had come. Now we have come at the main track. I am moving left. I am moving left so that I may cover the boundary. Boundary of the school, sir. एकदम सीधा रखना. पूरी boundary आनी चाहिए. From the outside, now we are seeing the boundary from the inner side. इधर से निकल सकते हैं क्या? Field or boundary. In the left hand side, it is the boundary, and in the right hand side there is the field. It's the kho ground. It is the kho ground, and he is the physical teacher. Boundary. We are moving beside the boundary. We are moving beside the boundary. In the left hand side, 9 feet height of the boundary. In the right hand side, the court of the badminton and volleyball. The court of the badminton and volleyball in the right hand side. In the left hand side, the boundary wall. Boundary wall कटे नहीं. Boundary लगातार चलती चले. We are moving, we are reaching at the end of the boundary wall. It is the class 4th room here. Class 4th employees stay here. Class 4th employees stay here. एकदम सीधी. It is class 4th employee. Some excess desk bench are kept here in the lobby. These are the staff quarters at the boundary. These staff quarters are at the boundary. These are the staff quarters at the boundary. It is the boundary wall. The height of the boundary wall at this place where I am standing is nearly 6 feet. From the inner side, from the outer side, its height is nearly 14 feet. 14 feet. नीचे दिखा दो. From the outside, its height is nearly 14 feet. आइए. Come on. This is the boundary of school. In this side, we have read at the eastern side of the boundary, the height of this boundary is 8 feet. From the outside, it's 11 feet. Beside it, there is road. In the left-hand side of the boundary, in the eastern side of the boundary, there is the road. We are going to the southern side. In the backyard of the school, it's a school building. These are the dogs which help us in our security in the night time. In the daytime, they are tied up. In the daytime, they are tied up. We are moving beside the boundary. We are moving beside the boundary. We are moving beside the boundary. It is the eastern boundary of the school. It's the eastern boundary of the school. We are reaching at the eastern and southern point. Now, we have reached at the eastern and southern point. I think the boundary is visible here. The boundary is visible here. The boundary is intact. There is no cut in the boundary. आ जाओ. There is no cut in the boundary. It is intact. Here is a ramp for the physically challenged students. Now we have reached at the main gate. Now I am moving, repeating something. Here is the place. Here is the place for the playing of the little ones. Class 1, 2, 3. Hello. Here is the place for the students to play who are little ones. Physical teacher is present here. इसको सबको एकदम सीधा रखना, पूरा आवाज से अच्छा पूरा आना चाहिए. ओके सर. Okay, sir. Now I am returning. Now I am returning by the ramp to the principal office. Main approach road. It is the main approach road of the school. In the left and right hand side, there is greenery. Flowers, green trees, green trees. In the left hand side, here is the playground of the school. When the school is open, we perform our assembly here. We perform our assembly here. इसको फिर दिखा दो. Let us see the viewpoint of our green field. The students are not coming. It has become barren land. It's a kho-kho ground. It is the kho-kho ground. In the right hand side, here is the volleyball ground and table tennis, badminton court. Badminton court. Now I am moving towards the principal office. Now I am moving towards the principal office. It is the place for the assembly. It's the place for the assembly. When the students come, be assembled here, and the students of musical instruments, they stand here. Musical instruments students stand here, and the other students, they stand below it from the rampart. Here is the assembly place. This place is known as mini hall. Some little gatherings of the little ones is made here. There are co-curricular activities are also performed here. It's the place for visitors also. Students, guardians, photos are stitched here so that they are motivated. Their deeds are displayed at the prominent places. In the right hand side of this gallery, there are the creation of the students. On the Independence Day, we had told the students that prepare your slogans, something create in the art, and send it by your guardian. If it is possible, they have sent maintaining the social distancing. Here is the fire extinguisher, one more. Creation of our students, the martyrs of Kargil, Kargil martyrs creation of the students. They prepared it, making proper social distancing. Please see one more fire extinguisher here. Fire extinguisher, sir. Okay. Sir, now I am going from the mini hall, from the entrance gate to the principal's chamber. It is the principal's chamber, and coordinator sits here. We try to manage the school from this place. CCTV camera in all the rooms, staircases, and back side, front gate is situated everywhere. And we watch from the CCTV camera also. CCTV camera. करेंगे पूजा एंड पूजा का मान ऊपर आओ. इट्स द वॉशरूम फॉर द प्रिंसिपल. अंदर जाओ. वॉशरूम फॉर द प्रिंसिपल. टॉवेल, टिश्यू पेपर, हैंड वॉश, इस साइड से. It's our principal officer, honorable members of the inspection committee, CCTV camera in all the rooms, in the back side of the building. Now moving towards the gallery, towards the classrooms, towards the labs. Open, एकदम सीधा रखना. अच्छा पूरा आवे. Hello, it is the It is the infirmary. It is the medical room infirmary for the students. If they are sick, If they have been injured, it's our medical room. And she is our wellness teacher. She manages this room very finely. She tries her best to counsel the students. If they have any problem, she counsels not only to the guardians. She may have some less age, but she counsels to the guardians also. This is the place for the students. If they are badly sick, they are kept here. They are kept here. Now, it's our math lab. It's our math lab. I am entering in this lab from the front gate. Sir, I am entering to it. Gate का लेते हुए. I am entering to it from the front gate. I was in hurry. It's our mathematics lab. He is our math senior teacher. He manages this lab. It's our math lab, sir. These are the models for the students. We make our students understand it, understand the maths easily. So the shapes of the mathematics are kept here. These are the things which our teachers go with in the classroom. They teach and the students do so. When the students come in the room, they perform as the teacher advises. They perform as teacher advises. Sir, every room is equipped with the night vision CC camera and sound system in each and every room. Now moving from maths lab to our newly built chemistry lab. It is our chemistry lab, sir. Chemistry teacher, newly built chemistry lab. जलाओ इसको, झलक दिखाओ, लेके आओ जल्दी, जल्दी लाओ माचिस, माचिस जलाओ इसको. सर, खोलो दूर, दूर. लगाओ, अभी लगाओ. The pipe fitting of the gas has been made. The pipe fitting of the gas has been made. Pipe fitting of the gas has been made. वाइट मोड में लटका के नहीं, सीधा ऊपर तक आए. Come on, sir. It's our chemistry lab, sir. It's our chemistry lab. It's door for the chemistry lab. and other chemicals are kept here. Other chemicals are kept here. Well ventilated chemistry lab. पूरा ऊपर तक आए, नीचे ऊपर पूरा है. Chemistry lab, sir. It is our chemistry lab. केवल 2 जलाओ, 2. Chemistry lab, sir. Chemistry lab. We are moving towards the toilet. I am leaving this chemistry lab. Is the girls' toilet, female toilet, girls' toilet, lady teacher's toilet. Why? Room number भी आए. Come on. It is the toilet for girls. Closed dustbin, hand wash, tissue paper, washroom for girls. Washroom for girls, अंदर तक. Washroom for girls. Washroom for girls. कैसा मतलब एकदम सीधा रखो कैमरा, पूरा लेगा. Washroom for girls, this side. Washroom for girls. Girls washroom. Girls washroom. पानी खोलो. Girls washroom. From girls washroom, I am moving towards the drinking water. It is the girls drinking water space. Drinking water for the girls. 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 Sir, one thing I had forgotten to show. The burners, gas burners are being used. उधर उसको खोलो. जल गई, उधर खोलो, उठाओ, खोल दो. बस खुल जाएगा. रखो. Sir, the dust may go and it may block it. That's why it was kept a block. The dust should not block it. That's why it was kept closed. Okay, sir. Mistake was undertaken, sir. It was removed. Now I am going towards the classroom, sir. Now I am going towards the classroom, sir. Full wide mode में रखना कैमरा. It is the class 10th. It's the room for the class 10th, sir. चारों दीवालों का, ऊपर का। सीसीटीवी कैमरा और छूटे ना, पंखा चला दो, चलते पंखे भी आ जाएं। सर, इट्स योर क्लास 10th। अगर कोई रूम नहीं खुला खुल जाए। सर, क्लास 10th, मैप ऑफ इंडिया, टू मेक देम भारत भक्त, they should know where they are living. Motherland India. Come on, sir. Now we are moving towards the class 9th. We are moving to the classroom, class 9th. Activity room. Class 9th. Classroom of class 9th. Classroom of class 9th. कैमरा एकदम हॉरिजेंटल रखना पूरा आइज से। क्लासरूम क्लास 9th से सीसीटीवी। क्लासरूम क्लास 9th। Classroom class 9th. After class 9th, we are moving towards the composite lab. स्टिकर आ रहा है ना? She is the science teacher. She manages this lab. It's composite lab up to class 10th. पूरी दीवारें ठीक से, फोटोज। लैब फॉर क्लास 10th। It's composite lab for physics, chemistry, biology. Now we are moving towards the activity room. Activity room, in the active and they play here. पूरी दीवारें 5-6 मिनट। बाहर लीजिए। इधर चलेंगे। Creations of our students. It is class 3rd. Classroom of class 3rd. classroom of class third. The things from which they can learn easily, that is kept here. That is kept here. देखो कंप्यूटर लैब में जल रहा सब में नहीं लाइट. Okay, it is class third. Class third. Class third. It's a staircase for the first floor, but at first we will see the ground floor. It's class second. Class second. It is class 2. Class second. Class 2. Now we are moving for class 3. Class 3. Sorry, class 1. It is class 1. It is class 1. Class 1. Class 1. Class 1. Our newcomers, their chairs and tables are of the plastic so that they may not be hurt. Very enjoyable place for the little ones. आगे देखा हो जब आगे कहीं से गलती ना हो तो सर it's male toilet, it's for the teachers, male washroom, अंदर जाओ. It's washroom for the boys, washroom for boys, hand wash, wash basin, urinals, washroom for the students, boys, washroom for boys. Drinking water for students, for boys, drinking water for boys, RO, cooler for boys. Drinking water, it's our computer lab. ठीक है बगल वाला स्मार्ट क्लास. It's our computer lab. Computer lab, sir. दोनों कभी चला ठीक है. बगल वाले ठीक है. Computer lab. Over, sir. Come on. Come on. Yeah. It is the male teacher's room, sir. Male teacher's staff room. Male teacher's staff room. Male teacher's staff room. इधर भी. बस. Male teacher's staff room. Male teacher's staff room. Cold drinking water for the teachers. Glass रखना है. Timetable of the teachers. Timetable of the teachers. Come on. Timetable of the teachers. It's the smart class. It is the smart class. It's the smart class. Smart classroom. It is the smart classroom. Smart classroom. Side. Okay, sir, come here. Come this way. Sir, now we are moving towards the first floor. Now we are moving towards the first floor. This is our staircase. 5 feet width. Staircase 5 feet width. It's our class 5th. Class 5th. Every room has CCTV camera, sound system. Come on. एकदम सीधा रखना है, पूरी दीवार आए. It is class 4th. Room for the class 4th. Class 4th. Class 4th. करोगे? Here is one more washroom for the teachers. This washroom is for the gents teachers at the first floor. बगल में शीशा आ रहा ना? It's the washroom for the boys, as we have seen at the ground floor. The same pattern here, sir. The same pattern here. Urinals for the boys. Wash basin, sir. Hand wash. Hand wash, sir. Hand wash, sir. Drinking water, sir. Drinking water. Drinking water. RO and cooler for students. Drinking water, RO and cooler on the first floor for boys. For boys. Sir, fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Dance and music room. Dance and music room. As the teacher performs, students look into the mirror. In the same way they perform. If the teacher lifts her right leg, the students also lift their right leg. If the teacher lifts her left hand, the students lift their left hand looking into the mirror. It's the place where the students enjoy too much. These are the musical instruments. These are the musical instruments. पूरा सीधा लीजिए, इकट्ठे आ जाएगा. हारमोनियम बैठ जाओ तुम. Our teachers perform from their place for the musical instruments, and the students perform from here. The students sit here and they work on it. They see it. It's the music and dance room. सभी दीवारें हो गई. It is library, sir. आ गया, हो गया. It's library, sir. Treasure of knowledge. It is the treasure of knowledge, sir. अलमारी खोलो, सभी अलमारी खोलो. It's the treasure of knowledge. सब खोल दो, खुला है. Treasure of knowledge. Now, these are the videographs of the library. Is treasure of knowledge. Treasure of knowledge. Library. 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 It's our reading room also. The magazines, newspapers are kept here. The students come and read here. लेते चलो आता चलो. चलो चलो. साइड में. अच्छा जी. It's our reading room, library for the magazines, papers, and so on. Now I'm leaving this place. We are going towards the classrooms, creation of the students. Fire extinguisher, sir. ध्यान रखना. It is the place of enjoyment for the students. Students stay here and see the beauty of the nature. This is the sports store room. Honorable members of the inspection committee, it's boxing kit, yoga kit, desk, weighing machine, cones, badmintons, gloves, and so on. The students enjoy this room so much. It's newly built physics storeroom. It's newly built physics storeroom. Something are kept here and others are displayed in the lab. चारों दीवारें आए. It's physics storeroom. Now I'm going towards the physics lab. Physics lab, sir. It is our physics lab, newly built physics lab. Show the stock register. Where is the stock register of the physics? Go on, आगे चलो. वाइट बोर्ड लेना, झुका के नहीं, कैमरा एकदम सीधा, पूरी दीवार तक आता जाए भैया. मिटाओ इसको और इधर से इसको. Labs 5 minutes. Physics lab, sir. It is the physics lab. It's the newly built physics lab, sir. Newly built physics lab. Length 30 feet, width 20 feet, 600 square feet. Room thermometer. Come on. Physics lab. What we have to teach in the class 11th, 12th. The teachers are preparing, they are waiting that the schools are open. They are trying their best to learn the new chapter. Fire extinguisher, sir. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. It's a biology lab. It's a biology lab, sir. Biology lab, sir. आइए. Bio lab. Biolab, sir. Honorable members of the inspection committee, we are in the biolab, sir. Its length is 30 feet, width is 20 feet, 600 square meters, sorry, 600 square feet, the area. The area is 600 square feet, sir. और लीजिए, नाम इधर लिखा है, बढ़ते जाइए, बढ़ते जाइए, उधर से नाम उधर लिखिए, बढ़ते चलिए, दिखता रहेगा। स्पेसिमेन माइक्रोस्कोप आया है, माइक्रोस्कोप Here is the biology storeroom. Biology storeroom, sir. Almirah for the reagents, if any. छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो। कमरों के दरवाजे खोल दें। वैकेंट रूम्स सर, 3 vacant rooms. We are moving towards the 3 vacant rooms. We are moving towards the 3 vacant rooms. Sorry, one thing more. Before vacant rooms, female toilet, female toilet, girls toilet, at the first floor girls toilet, dustbin closed, girls toilet, toilet for girls, this side also. The same pattern as it was the ground floor, the same at the first floor, and the same will go at the second floor, third floor also. Now sir, we are coming to the vacant rooms. This is the vacant room for class 11th. Vacant room for class 11th. Well equipped vacant room for class 11th. एक बार में सारी चेयर्स आ जाएं, एक एक ना आए, सारी चेयर्स आए इकट्ठे, गिनती कोई करना चाहे कर ले। आगे वैकेंट रूम सेकेंड, vacant room second, vacant room second, well furnished, सीधा 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 फिर चल सीधा, vacant room second, vacant room second, एक एक गिना जा सके, ध्यान रखो, आगे चलो पूरा vacant room second, vacant room second, third vacant room, vacant room third, third vacant room, well equipped, well furnished, well ventilated, full of greenery, it's classroom class 8th, class 8th classroom, it's class 8th classroom, classroom class 8th, दीवारें, डेस्क बेंच, पंखा, all the classes are equipped with the sound system and CCTV camera. I am moving towards the next classroom, sir. It's class 7th. Class 7th classroom. Classroom class 7th. Classroom class 7th. बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं पंडित जी। क्लासरूम क्लास 7th, क्लासरूम क्लास 7th, क्लासरूम क्लास 7th, classroom class 6th, class 6th classroom, class 6th classroom, class 6th classroom, class 6th classroom, every room equipped with the sound system and CCTV camera, sir. Honorable members of the inspection committee, students creation, sir. class 5th we have seen. Okay, sir. The inspection, the classes, the rooms which were to be inspected, that has been over. Thank you, sir. And this staircase goes to the second floor. At that floor, the marble fixing at the floor is on, and I hope that we will have the senior secondary affiliation. Okay, thank you, sir. Now here's the videography of 31st of the August, 2020. Thank you, sir. After this, we will scan the records which are needed and we will provide it to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Banka.